Hey, okay, sorry. Um, I don't. I'm gonna try to install Arch Linux and show you how to do it step by step. Um, I know it's late. That the the problem for me is setting the camera position. So I'm not sure if I can do that. I don't have a really good stand. It's just this small thing, and I can't really do it well. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a working video or a deleted video. All right, let's go. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is what you do. You go to this website here. Okay. And you click on the torrent file here. And if you've got that downloaded already, which I did, okay, I'm not sure. You know what? Maybe if I minimize this, it'll show more stuff. Okay. Yeah, this actually works. Let me move this out the way here. All right. I'm still learning about this. And I know the camera is tilted the wrong way. Let's see if I can get it Yeah, all right, that's as good as it's going to be. All right, cool. Now it looks like it's going to happen. All right. You don't understand. All right, all right. Then let's do the virtual box. Yeah. Uh, let's just search for it. VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, well, that's something that you probably need to do. And I already have Arch. I already did it. I already installed it, but you haven't seen it live. So, let's go ahead and delete this thing. Delete all the files, and we'll kind of start over. And click on New here, and then type in Arch. Arch right there. My issue is, are you seeing this really well or not? Okay, if I had a better setup here, I think it would be better. Okay, anyway, go ahead and click next and give it some RAM. You can be, sedikit or very little, or banyak. That's in Indonesian. Uh, this is for a friend of mine that's in speaks Indonesian. So anyway, I'm gonna give it that much, and click next. As long as it's in the green. If you're in the green, you're good. Then create the disk. Then click next for VDI. Okay, good. And just click the default setting here in dynamic allocated and highlight this little 8. I like to do that. Yeah, make sure it's highlighted just the letter. There we go. And type 50. I just said that because maybe you could do 200, whatever you're comfortable with there. We're installing things here, so I want to have some space. And then, boom. Let's go to settings real quick. Go to system, processor, and I have 6 processors, so you could put 6. But I'll just put 3. Okay, fine, 4. 4, and then we'll go to video memory here, and give it 128. Then go to storage, click the empty, click this little CD, click the choose a disk drive. Actually, since it's already selected, I'll just go ahead and click on that. If not, then you'd have to go in and click it and find the folder that's in, and then set it up that way. All right, cool. I think we're done. And click start. And click start again. That's like a new thing. Anyway, there you go. Let me move this over so you could probably see it. All right, good. Next, let's make this happen. Okay, hit enter on your keyboard. If I mess up something, well, I mess up something. This is live, so I'm going to probably not install the fancy packs and stuff. Okay, so thing is, ping arch linux.org, something like that, and it could be Google too, or whatever you're comfortable with, and hit enter, and then go ahead and Control C to get out of that mess. Otherwise, you'll go on forever. Y'all don't want that. Next, time, date, CTL, space, set. How about dash? Try to hit dash. NTP true, and enter. Good. Now let's go ahead and go to fdisk/dev/SDA. And because we'll just do it in fdisk, it's not that hard, guys. Okay, we're just going to make one partition. We're not going to make swap. If you want to make swap, do it on your own video. N for new partition. Okay, and it says select P, or you can go ahead and select enter, which I will do because it's the defaulted one. And since we're only doing one and one is the default, I'm hitting that. And then since the first sector is whatever it is, I'm hitting enter. And the last sector is whatever it is, I'm going to hit enter because I want the whole disk taken up. If you don't, then you're going to have to edit this and do some calculation to find out how much disk space you want. And then you could create different things. And if you have a like a really big hard drive, something that over 2 terabytes, then you'd have to go with GDP, or I would use CFDIS because that would show it up a little bit easier. And hit enter. Good. And now hit A. A is for making this partition bootable. And now W. If you hit W, it's going to write the changes and then save and quit. Boom. Done. If I need the manual, I will probably open it, but so far we're doing good. Then mkfs .ext for space / dev. Okay. And then SDA1. And that's it. You don't have to put the MNT because if you do, it'll give you a problem. Hey. And then boom. And then mount dev SDA1 / MNT. Hopefully that's good. And it's good. Okay. Now, in the older video, I don't think we have an older video, but in past, you would have to go in and mess with the mirror. But I looked at the mirror recently, and it's got its own setup now, and I don't really want to mess it up. So it's got a reflector or some type of fanciness. So let's just go pack strap. Okay, and then MNT, just like that, and then base. Linux. This is the new thing. Yeah, right. Linux. It used to be base and then base devel, and then you were done. But now you got to know what base devel is. So you got to look that up on your own and on your own time. Now, Linux, this is another new thing they added. Linux firmware. Done. Now, this was the basic commands that you could run and it will be done. But then you're going to find out that you're going to need a text editor. So you just might as well do it. I'm just saying. So we'll do Vim and Nano, only Nano because I use it for this one little pseudo issue. Okay, so another thing I really want you guys to download is Network Manager. And then there's like here, fine. Sudo also. Why not? Just get it out of the way. All right, that's enough for now. The rest of it can be figured out. Or I could save that for another video, another live event. Okay, so boom. This is not a pausing the video type of thing, so you're just gonna have to wait. So just wait. Okay, so yeah, maybe can I fiddle with this just a little bit. No, Jason, don't fiddle with this. Just leave it. Okay, don't mess with this. Okay, good. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Okay, so we're gonna find out what the next command is. I think I know what it is, but I just want to double check it real quick. All right, I won't double check it yet. I think the next command here is genfstab. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So genfstab, good. And then it's something like slash mnt's arrow. Wait, it may be dash capital U, yeah, and then slash mnt, and then arrow, and then slash mnt, slash Etsy, and then S tab. Okay, I think I did it right. Let's cross our fingers. Okay, good. Then arch ch, sorry, ch root. If I'm not typing it right, if I'm okay, and slash mnt. So there you go. And if I did this right, it'll show up with the little hashtaggy thing. And then it did it. Fantastic. Okay. All right. Let me open up the okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up the rest of this commands. I pretty much could do this by memory, but I want to just double check so we're not having a double video here. Okay, so we did the partition, we did the installation, the mirrors, the essential packages, the FS tab, the chroot, the time zone now. Okay, so let's do that. Time zone section. All right, here we go. LN dash SF USR share, and then slash zone, and then if you want to autocomplete, you could just hit tab. That's auto completing. And then this doesn't work with everything. I wish it did. It would be so awesome, but it doesn't. And then slash AM autocomplete slash LOS autocomplete slash ETC local time. Now that's the part that I don't think it autocomplete. So at least it gets you there faster. Okay, there we go. Now next, we're going to Vim. Sorry, and friends. This is a sort of complicated program, but it's awesome when you learn it. It's part of the tech world. Okay, so at etc slash local e.gen. Okay, that's all you got to do. And you press enter. And you're greeted by this awesome already made configuration file. And the keys for these is JKL. Okay, that's the ones that I know. And then they have up arrow, down arrow, left, right. So just use down arrow, go. Speed all the way to ENUS. All right, there we go. And hit X. Okay. Fantastic. Then as I'm just going to hit GG. This will take me to the top line. And then I'll hit Shift:/WQ. Enter. Next file that you have to do. Press up arrow and then type in conf, and fantastic. And then type in LANG, sorry, LANG equals EN underscore US. Great. Dot UTF dash 8. Okay. Okay, so escape out of that, and then go to the last line there, and then hit O. Hey, there you go. And then hit LC equals COL. Maybe it's underscore. Hold on. Underscore collate. Okay, like that. And then now hit equals C. Yeah, that's setting the lang variable and some other things. That's fantastic. Okay, now it says if you want to set the keyboard, you can. If you live in Russia or China or whatever, you can do that. But I live in America, so it's defaulted. Escape, and then go ahead and Shift : WQ enter. Fantastic. Now do the host name. etc host name, and press enter. I, and then ARCH. Press enter. Oh, sorry. Escape. Then WQ. Press enter. All right, we got this. Okay. All right, so arrow up, delete, then type S where it says host. Fantastic. Okay. Now hit O there because you want to add a line. And now type in 127.0.0.1. Type local host. Press enter. Okay, do it again. Except for you want : 1 tab local host. I think I spelled that wrong. Okay, slow down. And done. Now do the other one. 127.0.0.1 tab. Okay. I think it's arch dot local domain, and then let me double check. Yeah. My host local domain. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Let's continuing, and then type arch. Okay, hit escape and do the same thing. Go ahead and Shift : WQ, save and quit the file. That's what it does. And let's go ahead and go down to the next one. Okay. All right. It's going to say password, but you know what? I want to do something first. We have to fix the network. We're still we want the network to have network on reboot. So let's do that. So you have to use system D. So system, come on, system CTL enable network manager the service, and done. And okay, now set up the root user password. PASSWD, then password. Okay, so I like a short password because I just like a short password. If you're working for the government, then go ahead and make a giant password for a root. Or if you're doing something cool. All right, next. Oh, go ahead. Install Grub. Grub Pac-Man is an awesome video game. Capital S. Make sure it's capital S. And then type in Grub. And the first time I ever installed Arch, I thought this was it. But it's not. It's Grub dash install. What else? STA. And we're done. And not done yet. I thought we were done after that, but then I found out it didn't work. So you have to do this too. MK config -o boot grub. Type in grub yourself, otherwise it's going to be grub new. .cfg. There you go. And hit enter. It'll generate. No, it didn't do it. Okay. CFG. Oh. Okay. I have to put grub in front of things. Grub dash. Okay, there you go. And boom. We're done. We're almost done here. And that will be done with the first part. But in order to be done with the first part, you have to exit your root environment. And root environment is useful for keeping things permanent. Especially if you messed up. Then you have to go back into the root environment, change what you need, and then exit. And then go ahead and unmount. U-mount, not unmount, because I thought it was when I first installed Arch, but it's not. U-mount -R, capital R, space /mount. Press enter. And then we're going to power off. If you want to reboot, you could do that. I want to do something real quick. I want to have to do, because I'm using VirtualBox. I want to see if I'm still in the stream here. All right. I don't know if I can show. Maybe I can move this window a little bit. All right. There we go. Now what you need to do is hit settings, then storage, then right click where it says Arch Linux -2020. Okay, and then hit remove. And it's done. Let's say you messed up your system and then you have to do it again. Hit this little plus guy where it says adds optical drive, and boom, you're going to be up in no time. Okay, click OK, click start. Okay, I want to make sure everything. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. So what you got to do to get in this new system is type root. Okay, so root, and then type your password. Boom. Okay. Next. So you want to add a password. So user add dash m dash g, make group, wheel user dash s slash / bash or bin / bash born again shell space, and then your username that you want to use. Boom. And then press enter. Set a password for a user. Make sure you type the user's name and type it in and type it in. Now, if you did it wrong, well, that could be a problem. Luckily, it gives you 2 chances to do it correctly. All right, let's move it on. All right, now the next thing you want to probably do is hit editor equals nano vi sudo. And after hitting nano vi sudo, let's go ahead and press enter. Okay, now this is the sudoers file. I'm going to try again. Let's see if we can. All right, that's going to be it. All right, so just scroll down, and I'll tell you where to stop. Okay, you scroll, keep scrolling. There we go. It says root. Okay, there we go. Find the cursor. There it is, root. Okay, root all equals all. When you find that, you go down one, and you should type your name there. Sometimes people don't do it, but it's a thing with me that I always do it. So now type your name, space, all, capital all, in caps, and then equals, colon, all, close colon, or close parentheses, sorry, and not colon, it's both, whatever, you see it on, actually, you may not be able to see this. So it's parentheses, open, all, close parentheses, space, capital A, capital L, capital L. All right, good. Now move down to the next 2 lines, and then put your cursor at the hashtag mark. All right, good. And then hit backspace 2 times. 1, 2, done. And then go ahead and Control O. Okay, when that, I want to think if I show you on the screen. I didn't see it. Okay, there we go. And then hit enter, and then hit Control X to exit. You can use Control X to save also, but this is how I do it now. All right. So let's install something else. So pacman -s xorg -server. Good. xorg -x init. EXINIT. And then xorg -x clock. And xorg -twm. Okay, and then just hit enter. Okay, let's do this thing. This is to get your X system. They have two types of systems that give you a graphical environment. One is X, and the other one is um, Wayland. And Wayland is not complete yet, I don't think. So I'm gonna wait until October, according to my research. It should be ready in October, and then I'll try it and see if it's good. Um, okay, so let's put my favorite operating system, my favorite desktop environment, DE. So Pacman dash capital S plasma dash meta. Now with this one, you gotta install. Before it didn't have to, but now they force you to install Dolphin, and they also force you to install terminal. Now, if you know an awesome one, you could do it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna put console with a K. And just to be, I'm also gonna put a web browser, Falcon with the Falcon. Press enter again, and then press enter again. Boom, and just wait because we're gonna be here. Notification. Let me just mute those. So, what is your favorite desktop environment? I wonder. If you don't have one and you like the window managers, which I heard is really good too, but you have to know how to configure files and things like that, and be willing to make a lot of mistakes, which I am willing to make a lot of mistakes, but sometimes I get frustrated with it. Okay, the first time I tried doing one was Xmonad, and I followed everything, but I think I still messed up. So I might try that again one day. All right. So basically, it's almost done. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. System CTL enable SDDM. Simple display manager. Okay, so dot service. And hopefully did it right and good. And if a symlink is created, boom, you're done. Okay, so what I guess I'll do is I will reboot this time and see what will happen. Okay. Go ahead and type in your password. Okay. And boom, it's up and running. Okay, I'm really confused, kind of, because I thought that I had. Well, anyway, it's up and running. Because I'm used to the newest version, so I want to check that out. Did it not install the newest version? All right. At least we could do that. So console, and since I'm gonna want that to be a favorite, I'll put it over there. Let's see. Pac-Man -S Plasma Meta. Oh yeah. Let's go up. Oh yeah. Hold on. I'll do sudo and then exclamation marks and then punch in my password again. Not found. Okay, whatever. You know what? I don't know how to at this time of night. I don't know how to change or to find out what version I'm on. But that's basically how you get it. How you get the Arch to work. Now, if you notice over here, I don't think you can see it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Over here, you've got this here. It says audio muted. Okay, let's click on that. All right, good. You notice this is on low volume. I don't know if you can see that. Let's move it down a little bit. It's on audio muted, and if you just move it up, I don't think it's enough. So let's click over here where it says configure audio volume. Click on that. Then click on audio. Okay. Let's try to push this down a little bit. Okay, and then if you move this up a little bit to give it more volume, the problem kind of goes away. So I have to click OK, and then boom, there you go. Since it's a virtual environment, you may have to do this more than once. Okay, so you got a web browser, and everything is up and running. And basically, this is what it looks like. This is KDE. And from here, you can do a lot of customizations and things like that. So I hope you liked the video. Have a great day.